Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya digital learning class. Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, I will say you some of exercise. Be ready students? Everyone stand, stand, sit, sit, stand, stand, sit, sit, stand, stand, jump, stop, jump, stop, jump, stop, jump, stop. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap, stop. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap, stop. Clap, stop. Clap, stop. Clap, stop. Clap, stop. Okay children, coming to last classes, that is first chapter. Yes, remember what you learn first: line, line segment, point, ray. Yes, after that types of line you learned. Yes, in the types of lines what are there? Horizontal line, vertical line, slant line, slope line. Slope and slant both are equal. Curved lines. Yes, these all you learned. Yes. Again, open figure and closed figure also you learned. Yes. Again, sides, vertex, these all you learned. Yes. See, that is revision I will do today. Okay. Observe this and you should say, what is this? What is this children? This is which figure? Closed figure. Yes. This is open figure. Yes. This is open figure. This is open figure. This is closed figure. As children, this is closed figure. You should observe and you should write which figure is this. That is open figure or closed figure, like that. Understood? Again, see, sides, sides, diagonals, vertex. You know, see, in this figure, how many sides are there? How many how many sides are there? How many diagonals are there? How many vertices are there? You should find. Okay. A, B, C, D. Okay. In this, how many sides are here? Sides. How many? Tell me. AB one side. BD. CD and AC. How many sides? 4 sides. S. 4 sides. S. Again, diagonals. Diagonals. See, diagonals means what? Opposite sides. S. See here. This line. A to D and B to C. These lines we will call diagonals. Yes. How many diagonals are there? AD one diagonal, BC one diagonal. How many? 2 diagonals. Yes. How many? 2 diagonals. Here sides how many? 4 sides. What are they? AB one side, BD one side, CD one side, AC one side. S 4 sides. Diagonals how many? 2 diagonals. A, D one diagonal, B, C one diagonal. S how many? 2 diagonals. Vertex. Sorry, vertices. Vertices how many? A, B, C, D. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. A, B, C, D. 4 vertices. Yes. How many vertices? 4 vertices. Yes, children. You know which is the side, which is the diagonal, which one is vertices. Yes. In this figure, observe this figure and you should write the sides, diagonals, vertices. Understood? Like that only. If they will give like this, you should write sides, vertices, diagonals. In this figure, diagonals is there? No. No diagonals. Understood, children? See, here in this triangle, how many sides are here? Sides. 3 sides. Yes. AB one side, AC one side, BC one side. Yes. 3 sides. Diagonals is here? No diagonals. No. Yes. Vertices. Vertices how many is here? A, B, C. A, B, C. 3 vertices. Yes, children. Like this. Any figure you can identify that and you should write that. If they will ask sides, you should write. If they ask diagonals, you should write. If they ask vertices, you should write. Like that you should learn that, children. Understood? Children, see, I will give some figures. You should identify that is one dimensional figure or 2-dimensional figure. Okay? Identify. One dimensional figure means line. S, line, ray, slant line, ray. See, children. See, these are 1D figures. One diagonal, one dimensional figure. Understood, children? See, one dimensional figure. Line. Understood, children? These are one dimensional. These also one dimensional. See, this one 2D. 2D means what? 2-dimensional figure. Understood, children? They will ask which figure is this? You should say 2D figure, otherwise 2-dimensional figure. Understood? This is 2-dimensional, 2D. This is 2D. Understood, children? 2D figures these are. 3D figures means what? Tell me. 3D figures. 3D figures. I said 1-dimensional, 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional also. What is that 3D? 3D is cube. S, cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder. These are 3D dimensional figures. Understood, children? These are 3D dimensional. 3D means what? 3-dimensional figures. Understood, children, what I am saying? See, these are 3D dimensional figure. Understood, children? See, you should already learn what you learned: line, line segment and vertical lines, types of lines. Yes, again you learned 1D dimensional figures, 2D dimensional figures and 3D dimensional figures. As again you learned in that dimensional sides, edges, vertex, vertices. As you learned or not? Yeah. Diagonals, these all. This is revision. You should recall this. Okay. Again, you should practice workbook workbook part. Take out your workbook. See, page number 1. The shape of 1 rupee coin is. The shape of 1 rupee coin is circle. As circle shape, you know na, round. Circle shape, you know na. The 1 rupee coin shape, round. The triangle is a dash figure. The triangle is a dash figure. Already I told you. Closed figure and 2D figure. Both you should write as first. Second one. See, second one, a triangle is a dash figure. 2D figure, a closed figure. C, option C, both A, B, S. Next, the shape of board is a. Which shape is this board? Triangle. S, you know the shapes of shapes. See, 1 rupee coin. What is this shape? 1 rupee coin. See, this is circle. S. Now, what is that? The triangle is a triangle is a dash figure. Tell me, 2D figure or what? Closed figure. Closed. Understood? Next, third one. What is that? The shape of. What is this shape? Tell me, what is this shape? Rectangle. As you know, not only this, if they will give anything, you should see that figure and you should name that properly. Understood, children? This is workbook. You should practice this all. Understood? Next. See, children, the point where at least two sides of the figure meet in chord. See? See? The point where at least two sides of the figure meet is called. See? Here one, here one. These two will meet here. What we call that? Vertex. Understood, children? See, this line and this line meet in one point. Yes, we call that vertex. Understood? Next, a line, the straight line that joins the opposite vertices of a closed figure is called. See? See? Here, this is closed figure. Yes, this is closed figure. This opposite vertex join the line. Yes, this line we will call diagonals. Diagonal. Understood? See, opposite sides, opposite vertex. See, this is vertex. Yes, this vertex, here one vertex, here one vertex, here vertex, here. Four vertices. Yes, this, it will join opposite vertex. This line will call diagonal. Understood, children? What is a diagonal? Opposite vertices will join the line. That line will call diagonal. Understood, children? The straight line that join a opposite vertices closed figure is called diagonal. Understood? Next, see the diagonal in sixth one. A diagonal in, see what is that figure? In this figure, they given like this figure S, D, C, CAB. In this figure, what are the diagonals is there? See, AC is one diagonal as opposite vertices. These two opposite vertices. S, AC is one diagonal. DB or BD. BD is one more diagonal because they are opposite vertices. Understood, children? Next, seventh one. A triangle has dash diagonals. A triangle has dash triangles. See, this is triangle. It has diagonals? No, no, not have diagonals. Circle has vertices. Yes, this is circle. It has vertices, children? No, circle has no vertices, no diagonals. See? Next. A square and rectangle have four vertices. See? Square. This is square. This is rectangle. This two has four vertices. Yes? Yes. It has four vertices because 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four vertices it has. Yes? Yes, children? Yeah. Next. 10th one. What is the unique feature of square? Unique feature of square. See? This is square. Yes. What is that unique feature of square? All the sides are equal. Equal in length. Yes. See? Equal. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. All the sides are equal in length. See? It has four equal sides. Yes or no, children? It has four equal sides. That is called unique feature of square. Understood, children? Next. See? How many vertices does triangle have? See, in the triangle, how many vertices it has? See, vertices. 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices. Yes? 3 vertices it has. Yes? 11th one. Next, how many diagonals does a circle have? If circle, see, in the circle, any diagonals is there? No. Understood? 0. Otherwise. Okay, children? I am going fast. No, this is revision. I am explaining that. Whatever you wrote in the workbook, that one I am explaining. You are seeing the workbook or not? See the workbook and listen carefully. What I am saying. Understood, children? See. 13th one. Complete the following table. What you are asking? They given the shape. S. 13th one. They given like this shape. S. In this shape they given names also. S, P, Q, S, R. S. In this shape you should find vertices and diagonals. See how many vertices here? Vertices and diagonals. See how many vertices here? 1, 2, 3, 4. What are they? P, Q, S, R. Understood? P, Q, S, R. Understood? P, Q, R, S, otherwise P, Q, S, R, otherwise S, R, Q, P. Anything you can write because these four only jumbling. You can jumble and you can write. Anything you can write. Understood, children? Only like this only you can write. You can write Q, P, S, R. Can write because 4 anything you can write. See in your class you can say your friends names, 4 numbers names at a time, otherwise you can jumbling and you can say like that. Understood? See diagonals. How many diagonals here is there? 1, 2. Yes. Two diagonals. What are they? P R S P R. This opposite vertices. P R opposite vertices. Again S Q. Understood? Otherwise R P Q S. Anything you can write, but same. Understood? Two diagonals, four vertices. Understood? Same like that only 14th one also. See? They given diamond shape S, in that A, B, D, C. Like this. See? How many vertices? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. S. How many diagonals? AC one diagonal. S, D, B one diagonal. Yes, children? Understood? See, next. Look at the figure and answer the following questions. They given on figure. Yes? In that figure, you should see the figure and they given some questions. In that questions, you should say the answers and you should write the answers. See what is that figure? Like this, crossly. Okay. They given like this. S, A, B, C, D. S. They given like this. 15th one. S. See. How many vertices does it have? Name them. How many vertices does it have? It has. How many vertices? 4 vertices. S. How many vertices? A, B, C, D. S. How many vertices? 4 vertices. Name them. A, B, C, D. S. See, they gave in the figure. S. In this figure, you should, what you have to do? You should find, or they're asking the question, how many vertices does it has? And name them. S. It has 4 vertices. And what are they? A, B, C, D. Understood? Next. C. Name the diagonal from A. From A. You should name the diagonal. From A means you can draw like this or like this. Opposite vertices you should draw. S. C. Ear to ear. A, C. S. Second one is, first one answer this. Second one A, C. Because opposite vertex will call, this line will call diagonal. Understood, children? Understood what I am saying? Okay? Then, okay, then. Now, 16th one. Draw a square WXYZ and answer the following question. What they are asking? They given WXYZ, they given. Square you should draw. Okay? And you should write the answers. What is that? Name the vertices, name the diagonals. See, 16th one. First what you have to do? You should draw a square. Okay? And W, X, Y, Z. You should name them. Okay? In that, again what you have to do? These are vertices. How many vertices? W, X, Y, Z. You should name them like this. Next, name the diagonals. Again, we should draw the square. Again, W, X, Y, Z. S, C. Diagonals you should write. S. What are they? W, Z. W, Z one diagonal. X, Y one diagonal. Understood, children? Understood or not? Okay. Practice this. All you should practice. Next one. Complete the following table. Okay. What is that? 17th one. Application. You should practice this, Alma. See, enough. Tomorrow I will do application and higher order thinking skill. Okay? Today enough this. You should practice this. Okay? Page number 1, 2, 3. You should practice. Okay? Practice.